Good evening to all of you guys. Now I'm with Zel.
Hello, good evening.
I'm here. We're here in my studio.
Yeah.
We're currently watching MTV.net and Friendster. We would like to greet all of our friends there. Maybe you're just wondering why we made some clip like this. Actually, we're so happy right now. Many changes in our life has happened after those many trials that came in our life. You know, what important is you learn from your mistake. Sometimes, sometimes you're just thinking that a certain thing will stay with you, though you want it, but fact is it will go away if it is not really meant for you. Okay, so we would like to share our story. Actually, I met this girl on my right side way back 2002 by the use of YM or Yahoo Messenger. I'm working at that time in Pacific. I was a store clerk there. And at that time,
I'm a student.
yeah, she's a student.
Yes. Taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Business Management. And then,
Come on, say something about yourself. At that time, I'm working. Yeah. I have my own office at that time. But after how many years, as far as I recall, uh, after 4 years, then we met again for the second time when I opened my Yahoo Messenger. Then I saw her profile. Then I asked her. I sent her a message, and she replied. So things really happened so fast. At that time, I had this broke up with my ex-girlfriend. I really hurt at the time. Then she's my shock absorber.
so,
Yeah. Then she's my best friend actually. We started as friends. As of now, she's my best friend. I'm not treating her as my girlfriend, but she's my best friend because I do believe best friend is more special than girlfriend. Okay? When you say best friend, it is used to what do you call it? What do you call this? To modify or to modify something. You use a superlative term that was best. Okay, it is much better than girlfriend for me. Okay, so since we met, many changes happened in our life. So as you notice, the background of our music in this clip is changes in my life. Okay, so all of you guys, what we can share to you, if you had, if you hurt in your past relationship, don't close your heart. Okay, don't lose hope. Pray to God because the greatest love and the greatest love story will unfold after you uh, put your trust into Him, as it is shown in the shot out of my best friend here. Okay, so hope you're enjoying your weekends. Okay, sa mga kaibigan namin, habang pinapanood nyo ito, Hi, ma'am. Mag-ingat ka lagi dyan. Okay? Kay Tunday. Ingatan mo si Ariel. Ha? Pakainin mo, painumin mo ng maraming gatas.
Palakasin mo.
Palakasin mo siya.
At lumaking
Okay?
katawan.
Sino pa? Yung mga kaibigan namin dyan na nariyan, na laging sumusuporta. Yung mga fans namin lahat dyan, na kapag ka may taping kami, nandyan lang palagi. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Okay? Dahil pagbubutihin pa namin ang aming mga trabaho bilang mga magaganda at magagwapong mga artista. Panoorin nyo na lang kami this coming September. Okay. Yung launch ng movie natin, may movie kami nito eh. Changes in My Life. Okay? It will be number one hit all over the world. Walang sinabi yung ano ba yan? Yung
Very special.
Very special love. Wala yan. Bakit?
Bakit?
Tinatanong pa ba yun? Sino mas pogi sa amin? John Lloyd.
Siyempre si John Lloyd.
John Lloyd. Panis ka. Eto, mabit-tabi ka na lang. Okay?
Wala palang mga pin.
Nandito na ang bago. Fresh na fresh.
Nasaan?
Superman. Okay? Okay, it's already late.
Yeah,
Kailangan niya na umuwi. It's already 11:37 p.m. Hinahanap na siya ng magulang niya, ng kapatid niya, ng aso niya, si Erica. Hi din dyan, Erica, no? Kay Christy, kumusta na? Kumusta ka na dyan? Pag nagbubuti mo ba yung pag-aaral mo?
Opo, kuya.
Hope so. Hope so. And I know you're doing great, okay? Be a good girl. Okay, basta. If you have something, may comment kayo sa video na to, post na lang kayo ng comment sa Friendster. Okay lang naman yan, okay? Nice to be a part of your a part of this clip. Wala lang. Naantok na kasi.
Sleep na.
Okay, sleep na. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night.